Hey everyone, buckle up because today we're diving headfirst into the world of crypto gaming
Yeah.
and specifically a game called Dropee.
Okay.
That's D-R-O-P-E.
Dropey. Yeah.
Dropee, yeah, you got it. Now, Dropee's making waves,
Hmm.
and for good reason. This play-to-earn game already boasts a community of over 7.5 million players.
Wow.
That's right, 7.5 million. That's more people than some countries.
That's incredible.
But here's the really big news. Dropee's token is about to be listed
Okay.
on some major cryptocurrency exchanges. We're talking Binance,
Right.
OKX, and MEXC.
Big ones.
Huge names, right?
Yeah.
And this is all happening November 30th, 2024.
That's coming up quick.
It's right around the corner. So to help us break down what all this means, I've got an expert here with me.
Hello.
Welcome to the deep dive.
Thanks for having me.
So can you give us some context
Mm-hmm.
on why this listing is such a big deal?
Sure. So think about it this way. Getting listed on exchanges like Binance, it's like instant credibility. You're suddenly visible to a much wider audience. It's like a small business suddenly landing a spot on the shelves of a major retailer.
I like that analogy. It's a signal of growth.
Yeah.
Signal.
Absolutely.
And like we mentioned, Dropee already has this massive player base, right?
They do.
7.5 million. That's huge.
It's a lot of people.
So where are all these players hanging out right now?
Well, right now, Dropee is mainly operating within its own ecosystem. They've got a thriving community on Telegram,
Yeah, I've heard about that.
nearly 1.5 million users, all buzzing about this upcoming listing.
So that's where all the hype is.
Yeah, you could say that.
So you've got this huge community on Telegram,
Huh?
but the game itself isn't on Telegram, is it?
Not exactly.
So how does that work?
So Telegram is more like their hub for communication and community building.
Gotcha.
All the actual gaming and trading
Yeah.
happens within Dropee's own system,
Okay, that makes sense.
but that pre-listing hype on Telegram, definitely a factor
Yeah.
in the projected listing price. Oh, there's a projected price already.
There is.
What are we looking at?
Estimates are around 0.00068 on
That's
Bitcoin.
okay. So just to be clear, so that's just the starting point, right?
Exactly. That's just the initial price. Once trading opens up, who knows?
Yeah, things could go crazy.
Especially with all the excitement.
So for someone new who's hearing about Dropee for the first time, 0.00468 sounds like a pretty good deal.
It could be.
But is there a chance this price could tank after the initial hype dies down?
Well, there's always a risk, right? It's like any hot new stock. Early investors might want to cash out quickly,
Yeah.
which could drive the price down. But the real question is, can Dropee hold on to those new players coming in from Binance?
That's a good question. I mean, what's the gameplay like? Is it actually engaging?
Yeah, so from what I've seen, the gameplay is pretty solid. It's a mix of strategy and resource management.
Okay.
Kind of like a futuristic city builder
Mm-hmm.
with some RPG elements.
And the play-to-earn mechanics are woven in really well. You can earn tokens through quests, trading in-game items, even just holding onto land.
So it's not just about grinding for hours.
No, not at all. There's actual depth to it. It rewards both skill and participation.
So it's not just another one of those mindless clicker games.
Definitely not. It seems like they've really put thought into making it engaging.
And that's probably why they've managed to build such a strong and active community.
Yeah, I think so.
So this listing, it could be a real turning point for Dropee.
It could.
And maybe even for the whole play-to-earn space.
Absolutely.
If they can pull this off, attract a mainstream audience, while keeping their core community happy, it could change everything.
It really could.
It could be a model
Mhm.
for other developers to follow.
I agree.
So what if, this is just the beginning, what if Dropee's move sparks a whole wave of play-to-earn games hitting the mainstream? Could this be the moment that brings crypto gaming to the masses?
It's definitely a possibility.
That's something to think about. Keep an eye on Dropee, folks. The future of gaming might just be unfolding right before our eyes. Until next time.